Do you believe your current savings are sufficient for a comfortable retirement? It is important to look closer. This amount might not last as long as expected.
It is not necessarily due to overspending. The economic landscape has evolved significantly.
You are using an outdated map from the 90s to navigate a modern world. Let's see why this is a trap.
The famous 4% rule is now one of the biggest financial traps for anyone planning their future today. In the 90s, bond yields were high and life was cheaper. Today, interest rates have plummeted while costs have soared.
The sustained growth trajectory is promising, yet key indicators highlight underlying volatility. Prudent adjustments are necessary to mitigate the recognized risks.
Modern medicine has added decades to our lives, but those extra years require a mountain of capital to sustain.
Medical inflation is growing twice as fast as general inflation. This is the hidden crack in your retirement budget.
Many retirees fail to account for the catastrophic costs of long-term care and rising insurance premiums in their later years.
As we examined in the portfolios, the data reveals significant growth in neutral assets.
Then there is the sequence of returns risk. A market crash early in your retirement can destroy everything instantly.
Analyzing the data, the downward trend is evident. This gap represents a significant shift in investor confidence and market behavior.
It is a mathematical nightmare. The timing of your retirement is often more important than the amount you saved.
58% of workers are forced to retire earlier than planned due to health issues or unexpected job cuts.
Forced retirement means you stop contributing and start withdrawing much sooner than your financial models ever predicted for you. Without a paycheck, the psychological pressure of watching your balance drop every month can lead to panic and fear. Many people panic and sell their investments at the worst possible time, causing permanent damage to their entire portfolio.
While the overall trend remains positive, these warning signals cannot be ignored.
The Morningstar report now suggests that the safe withdrawal rate is not 4%, but only 3.3%.
That small difference of 0.7% can mean the difference between security and running out of money.
The solution is not just saving more. It is about building a dynamic and flexible system to manage risk.
You need to optimize your health insurance and create a smart strategy for claiming your Social Security benefits.
A dynamic management plan allows you to adjust your strategy based on how the market is actually performing.
Retirement should be about peace, not constant anxiety. Stop following the old rules and start building a modern plan.
Don't let your savings become a source of uncertainty. Let them be the foundation of a truly secure future.
Take control of your financial destiny today. The map has changed, and so must your strategy for success. It starts with understanding that the old 4% rule was designed for a different world entirely.
In the mid-90s, one could find stable returns from traditional government bonds that are much harder to secure today.
Today, those safe havens have dried up, forcing retirees to take more risks with their hard-earned savings.
The upward trajectory is promising, but we must examine the underlying data closely. The subtle warning signs in the bond market cannot be ignored.
Sequence of returns risk is like a storm that hits just as you set sail on your retirement journey. If the market drops 20% in year one, your portfolio may never recover, even with good future returns.
This is why simply having a set amount of capital isn't the whole solution. You need a strategy to protect against market timing.
Time is the one thing you cannot buy more of. Every month you spend down your assets matters.
The psychological toll of a bear market is often underestimated by financial planners who only look at the math.
Your brain is wired to protect you, but in finance, fear often leads to selling low and missing the recovery. Inflation is not just about the price of eggs or gas. It is about the cost of staying healthy.
Healthcare costs for a retired couple can easily exceed $300,000 over their remaining lifetime. And
Medicare does not cover everything. Long-term care is the silent killer of many well-funded retirement plans. Longevity is a blessing, but only if you have the resources to enjoy those extra years in dignity. You are trading your time for money throughout your life. In retirement, you must trade your money for time.
Most people enter retirement with a sense of relief, but that relief can quickly turn into a new kind of stress. Simple math says 50,000 divided by 30 years is not much per month when you include taxes.
Many retirees forget that a large portion of their withdrawals will go straight to the tax authorities.
Your net income in retirement is what matters, not the gross number you see in your investment account.
Bridge the gap with a plan that accounts for taxes, inflation, and the unpredictability of the stock market.
A real strategy is more than just a list of stocks. It is a comprehensive roadmap for your life.
You need to build a defensive perimeter around your wealth to ensure it survives the unexpected storms ahead.
When you have a solid system in place, you can finally stop worrying about the daily market fluctuations.
The goal is not to die with the most money. The goal is to live your life.
Use your resources to build experiences and memories, not just a larger balance in a bank account somewhere. Retirement is a new beginning, but only if you prepare for the reality of the 21st century economy.
Take the first step today. Research the new rules, consult an expert, and build your own custom roadmap.
Your future self will thank you for the courage to face the facts and act now while you still can.
Knowledge is power, and in retirement, it is the ultimate form of security for your peace of mind.
Shift from a static mindset to a dynamic one. This is the key to surviving any economic weather.
Ask the hard questions. Challenge the old assumptions. Your retirement depends on your willingness to adapt to reality. You have worked hard for your money. Now, make sure your money works just as hard for you.
The challenge of a fixed savings amount is real, but it is not inevitable. You have the power to secure your path. Find your true north, secure your future, and enjoy the retirement you truly deserve after all your work.
Because in the end, it is the people and the moments that matter most of all in life.
Invest in your plan today so you can invest in your life tomorrow. You owe it to yourself.
Start now. The future is waiting for you to claim it with confidence and wisdom.
Understanding the risks is the first step toward true financial freedom and long-term peace of mind for you.
Asset protection is just as important as asset growth when you are no longer earning a steady paycheck. Digital tools can help you track every dollar and ensure your plan stays on the right course over time. Stay informed, but don't get overwhelmed by the noise of the constant 24-hour news cycle today. Wisdom comes from seeking multiple perspectives and never assuming the old ways are still the best ways forward.
Every piece of your financial puzzle must fit together perfectly to create a stable and secure home base.
Confidence comes from knowing you have prepared for various scenarios, while still hoping for the absolute best.
Your journey is unique. Your financial plan should be too. Don't settle for a one-size-fits-all solution for your life.
Nurture your savings like you nurture a garden. It takes time, patience, and the right tools to thrive.
Let your plan be the lighthouse that guides you through the fog of economic uncertainty and market volatility.
The world is still full of wonder. Make sure you have the means to explore it in your years.
You have the tools. You have the knowledge. Now, all you need is the action to make it happen.
Early preparation is the key to a stress-free transition from your working life to your retirement years.
The first 5 years are the most critical for the long-term health of your investment portfolio and peace.
Health is wealth. Investing in your physical well-being is the best financial move you can ever make for yourself.
A healthy lifestyle reduces future medical costs and allows you to enjoy your retirement years to the absolute fullest.
These are the moments that $500,000 should protect. Family, laughter, and shared joy across generations.
A rich life is defined by more than just your bank balance. It is defined by your connections. Leaving a legacy is about more than money. It is about the values and wisdom you pass on to others. Find the stillness in your financial life by eliminating the unnecessary risks and focusing on what truly matters now.
The past is a teacher, but the future is where you will live. Make it a place of security.
Launch your new retirement strategy with confidence. The old ways are behind you, and the future is bright.
Stay active, stay curious, and stay involved. Retirement is not an ending. It is a magnificent new chapter. Explore your passions and find new ways to contribute to the world. Your experience is a valuable asset. Never stop learning. The world is changing fast, and staying informed is your best defense against obsolescence today.
Your social capital is just as important as your financial capital. Invest in your community and your friends.
Purpose is the fuel of a long and happy life. Find something that makes you want to get up.
Every second counts. Make sure you are spending your time on the things that bring you the most joy.
Peace of mind is the ultimate goal of all your financial planning and preparation over the many years.
Create ripples of positive impact in the lives of others. That is the true measure of a legacy.
Nature has a way of putting everything into perspective. Remember that life is larger than any bank account.
Beauty is all around us. Make sure you have the freedom to see it and appreciate it every day. A strong support network is the best insurance policy against the challenges of aging and the uncertainties of life.
We are stronger together. Don't be afraid to ask for help or to offer it to those in need.
The digital world makes it easier than ever to stay connected with the people you love and care about.
The world is moving faster, but you can choose your own pace. Find the rhythm that works for you. Good food is a simple pleasure that contributes to your health and your happiness in your retirement years. Balance is the key to everything. Financial balance, physical balance, and emotional balance in your daily life.
Here is to your health, your wealth, and your future. May they all be bright and full of life.
You have everything you need to succeed. Now, go out and build the life you've always dreamed of.
The horizon is calling. Answer it with courage and with a plan that will last a lifetime.
It is never too late to start. Your new beginning starts right here, right now, with this step.
The sunset of your working life is the dawn of your retirement. Make it beautiful for yourself.
The stars are aligned for those who prepare. Be one of the prepared ones. Good luck on your journey. Thank you for joining us. Remember, your future is in your hands. Take the first step now.
Stay tuned for more insights into your financial future. We are here to help you navigate this world.
Finding a craft or a hobby brings meaning and structure to your days when you no longer work. Your life is your masterpiece. Take the time to build it with care, one day at a time.
True wealth is the comfort of your home and the companionship of those who love you unconditionally.
Simple moments are often the most valuable. Don't let financial stress rob you of these beautiful times. The universe is vast and full of mystery. Retirement gives you the time to look up and wonder.
Never stop dreaming of what is possible. Your future is limited only by your own imagination and planning.
Every season of life has its own unique beauty. Embrace them all with a grateful heart and spirit.
Be like the evergreen tree, strong, resilient, and always full of life, no matter what the weather is.
A well-managed plan gives you the power to be generous and to support the causes you love.
This is your life. Make it a grand adventure. The most fulfilling chapters are yet to come.